Welcome to AimBetter Academy. With AimBetter, you'll find the root causes for performance issues in a fast and easy way. This video will explain subtabs in the Performance tab related to the SQL layer. In this case, we will show a Microsoft SQL Server example. The Performance tab is the second in the main menu. Each subtab relates to one of the elements in the server's environment. From Home to Analyze, the subtabs relate to operational system parameters. In this video, we'll start with the MSSQL subtab. Here you'll find details about the database server instance. There are many parameters related to the database server, including a pie chart showing the memory allocation distribution for this instance. As in other parts of the AimBetter platform, click on a graph to see this metric over a certain period of time. To change the period, go to the calendar on the right side. Choose the period, the endpoint time, and click on Set. You may compare two different periods by activating the Compare option and choosing the endpoint times for comparison. You can also add other graphs that will be displayed for the same period of time. The DB subtab shows details on each database found on the selected server. Click on any of the graph and see the changes over a selected period. To change the period, go to the calendar on the right side, choose the period, the endpoint time, and click on Set. The weight stats concentrates on many weighting measurements based on AimBetter's classification. This information is very useful for understanding slowness root causes. Thank you for watching. We hope you've got all the information you were looking for. And we're glad we got the chance to show you how to use this aspect of AimBetter's platform. Please check out our YouTube channel or website aimbetter.com for more information.